Hi guys, Lens here. If you're having charging issue with your iPhone 16, 17 Pro Max, I'm gonna help you out to fix that. This phone is probably drained. You wanna press the volume up, volume down. Then you wanna hold the side button. This is just to try and reset the phone. And if it's not charging, guys, then it can be something wrong with our charging port. But this charging port seems to be very intact. Maybe it's a minor thing with the phone. But I'm going to try a wireless charger with the phone, and I'm going to see if this will help. You can see that the logo turns on there, and you can see that the phone is charging. So what I want to say is that sometimes, and as you can see, the phone is not drained, so maybe it was just a minor issue. So apparently it seems like it was a minor issue. So what we're going to be doing, we are going to be trying to hook up this again and see if it will charge. So as you can see, it's charging there. I'm going to shut down the device. I'm going to try this again. So it's not charging. So maybe something is wrong with the charging port. I doubt, but let's just try this again. There we go. So as you can see, it's taking charge there now. Okay, if you're having charging issue, one of the best thing to do is just to force restart the phone. I am going to show you how to do that. You want to press volume up, volume down, then you want to hold the side button. You need to hold this for a while. So we are going to hold this until we see the Apple logo. Sometimes you don't get it in one go. So volume up, volume down. Then you want to hold the power button, which is the side button. And yeah, when you see the logo, we can release. So this actually helped to clear the phone memory. It actually helps to fix those minor problems. So if you're having little charging issues, that's how you can fix this very easily and very quickly. And also, guys, it's very useful to always have a wireless charger. So I hope that this was helpful, guys. My name is Lens. Do like, share and subscribe.